DJA TV.
This morning, um, you were a garrison commander here, so uh, there's no story for us to tell. And then some of my colleagues here, you know them very well. Senator Jose Agbola, I know those days he visited you with all the political leaders here, severally at Abeokuta. The same thing with the Honorable Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Matters, Bayo Lawa. I'm sure there's no meeting with Governor Ladoja then that he did not attend, because he used to be the right-hand man for Governor Ladoja. And the DGD process, Mr. Rade Fokwe, you made our mom an ambassador to Zambia. So we're all your people, sir. We want to welcome you to Ibadan. We've done quite a bit to follow your footsteps because the major areas of focus for the government of your state are the area of health, education, agriculture, physical infrastructure, and security. And agriculture for us is the only part to take Oyo State away from depending on federal allocation. And that's why fixing roads to the rural areas. And that is also why we're turning some of the farm settlements into farm estates. And there's one very close to your farm along that Erua Igora. I'm sure in another maybe year and a half, by God's grace, when we are commissioning that farm estate, we will come back to you, sir, to join us to commission the farm estate. After I became a governor-elect, I came to Abeokuta to see you, and we spoke a little bit about the Ikere Gorge Dam, your government, your first coming as Ministry of State. The dam was built. But unfortunately, from that point up until now, we have not been able to realize the potential and the objective of that money that was spent there. But the road from Isheri to Ikere is now actually fixed under the Rural Access Intervention Program. It's a World Bank project. So very soon, sir, you will also see the full realization of value from that program. I made a promise to you that we will look at it, and we will definitely look at it. And I won't be able to follow you to the book launch, but the chief of staff will definitely represent me, sir. And I also look forward to an opportunity to visit with you at Abeokuta to discuss few of our programs and also watch you play Ayo as well. It's always a pleasure to see that. So, on that note, on behalf of the government and the people of Oyo State, welcome home, sir. There's Isale Ijebu ní Ìbàdàn, but I can tell Isale Ìbàdàn ní Ìjẹ̀bú, so we will definitely always have the honor to welcome you to Ibadan and to Oyo State anytime, any day, sir. Thank you and God bless you.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJ ATV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ